Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to fix failed to download or apply critical settings. Please check your internet connection in Roblox. Now, to fix this issue, the process is very simple and easy, and I'll show you exactly two main methods in order to fix this issue and this problem. So please stick to the video and watch till the end, because at the end of the video, you have the simpler and most better option, but also check the first method because it's very important in case you do not have the option to do the second method. And now let's get it started. First, you want to go and click on cancel or retry it, whatever it does. Click on cancel. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply search here for run, then right click on it, then click on open. Then you will get this option, or you can simply press the Windows button plus the R button like this. Then you want to type here ncpa.cpl, then hit the OK button. It will open this menu. Just right click on this, then click on properties. And now what you should do is to scroll down till you find here Internet Protocol version 6. Just uncheck this option. Then go to Internet Protocol version 4. Right click on it or click on it like this. Then click on properties. Then you want to choose the second option. Click on use the following DNS. Then you should type 8.8.8.8.8. Then you want to search here or type here 8.8.4.4, then click on OK. And now I'm going to try to open Roblox again and see if it is working or not. Let's type here Roblox player. Then I'm going to close this window, of course, and check if we solved this problem or not. And most probably, in most cases, it will be solved and you will be able to play the game. But I will show you in the video if it is working or not, just in order to avoid any scamming or clickbaiting in the video. And if this method isn't working with you, I'll show you the second method. And the second method is much more easier than the first method. Okay, it didn't work. No problem. What we will do right now is to try the second method. I'm going to click on cancel. If this method didn't work, now jump to the second method. You want to search for Cloudflare on your browser, then go for the first option, then click on start for free and download it. And now I've already downloaded it. So I'm going to type here Cloudflare. I'm going to open the application just like so. It will open down below in the bottom right side, as you can see. Then you want to go and click on this option, click on connecting. And this problem may face some countries because Roblox is restricted or prohibited in some countries. So you are using the VPN right now. Now it is connected. Now I'm going to go and open Roblox player. And now in this time, it will work. 100%, I guarantee that it will work. And as you can see, it's working. You can now choose let's say, the game that you want to play and play it without any problem. I'm gonna choose Steal a Brain Rot, for example, and it will open with me without any problem. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.